This is how to log in through Clever. Click on the MVSD links drop-down. Click on Clever. We're going to log in with Google. Click on the button. Here we're going to enter our student's username. Click on Next. Here we're going to be entering the student's password. Click on Next. This logs us into the student's Clever dashboard. As you can see, we're going to be logging into 3 apps: Imagine Language and Literacy, Let's Go Learn, and a little bit further down, Imagine Math Facts. Let's click on Imagine Math Facts. As you can see, it automatically logs us in to the student's app. Let's go ahead and close that tab. Scroll up to where we see Imagine Language and Literacy, also known as Imagine Learning. Click on that. And then you select Imagine Language and Literacy. Then confirm that this is the student. Click Yes. If needed, click on Allow to allow your microphone. Close that tab. And finally, we're going to click on Let's Go Learn. In Let's Go Learn, it'll come up to another login screen. On the upper right, click on Login. And then click on Login with Clever. It automatically brings us in to that student account. Go ahead and click on the tab, and that's how to navigate Clever for MVSD.